How to see what you liked on Instagram. So first step is to make sure that your Instagram is updated to make sure that you're getting all the features of the app. So go to the App Store, search for Instagram, and update it. After updating, open the Instagram app and go to your profile page by tapping on your profile picture on the bottom right corner. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Between these options, select your activity, tap on interactions, then proceed to likes. In this page, you can see everything that you liked on Instagram, whether it's a reel, a photo, or a video. If you're looking for a specific post, you can click on Sort and Filter. In here, you can choose from newest to oldest or oldest to newest. You can also see what post you liked from a specific author or specific user only. And lastly, you can choose a start and end date on what post you want to see. Now take note that this feature is only available on the mobile app and not on the web version of Instagram. Also, the list of posts you've liked is only visible to you and nobody else can see it. So that is how to see what you liked on Instagram. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.